Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are doing some special salad. So it's a very easy and simple, very healthy. For this we will give a different version where we will give tadka for this salad. Okay, so keep a pan or tawa. So add some mustard seeds and urad dal, splitted urad dal. So just dry roast that. I didn't add any oil here, okay? And some peanuts. So that peanut gives a different like crunch in the salad. Add little jeera. Jeera also it gives little different taste. So adding that one also and add chilies. So you can take green chilies also and the red one. Red is not dried one, soft one. So then add curry leaves, some cilantro. I'm adding cilantro also. Cilantro means coriander leaves. So add that and dry roast it. Just dry roast till it get peanuts roasted properly. So see, for this salad, I'm taking here some ingredients. What are those? Beetroot. You have to grate this beetroot in a medium hole or a small hole. That is also fine, whatever you feel like. And carrot and cilantro. See, beetroot is a more and carrot is half of that. So just mix this properly. It should mix properly together. I know that carrot color will also change because this beetroot color is very strong, right? So I'm adding here coconut, shaded coconut. You can, it's a raw one. It's not dried one. So fresh coconut that I have taken here and I'm adding that one. How much you want you can add. It's not like exact measurement. So now I'm adding salt, sea salt I'm adding here according to the taste, how the taste prefers. And black pepper powder I'm adding here like half teaspoon. So you can add that and the lemon at the end you can add lemon. So yeah, that's it guys, nothing else. It's very easy and simple and yet it's very tasty. You must try this beetroot. Some people don't try because of the color, but it's awesome taste. You have to try that. Okay, now dry tadka we are giving this for this salad. Okay, and just mix all together. That's it. It's awesome taste, believe me. So just do it by yourself. Do and see how the taste is. It's very healthy, right? And you can try this for your guest, and believe me, they will become a fan of yours. Right? So that tasty it is. Okay, let me have a bite. See how it is. Super fabulous. Oh my god. Yummy. So delicious and it looks beautiful also, not like ugly, right? You can try this. It's beautiful also and it's very healthy and even in the Satvic style, right? It's super duper delicious, quick recipe. How much time it takes? Only less, right? Only little bit. So try this in your home and let me know in the comment how it turned out. Okay, guys. So you can have this beautiful bowl of salad. Very easy and delicious. Try this out and yeah, let me know in the comment. Okay, see you in the next video. Namaste.